Want to resize your images and videos without needing extra software or any of the faff? Come on then. So if you're looking to reduce the file size of your images, you don't need any fancy software. If you're a Mac user, you can do it in a Mac, and if you're a Windows user, you can use it in Windows. No need to go elsewhere. So I'm going to show you both ways. If you're a Mac user, if we look here, this image is 912 KB, and I'm going to open it up. So open it up so that it opens in preview. Go to File, go to Export, and if it's a PNG, then you're going to see this, right? So it's not really going to allow you to do an awful lot with it. It's either going to reduce it slightly if you click off of the checkbox. But if you change it to a JPEG, it means that you can use this little slider here to change the size of that image. Now, you shouldn't lose any quality really because you're using digital images. If this was an image that we were using for print, then yes, you would lose quality and it wouldn't be as good. So you do need to have higher resolution on images for print. But if they're just going online, then usually it's okay. You might need to check it out on different sized screens, but just have a play with it. So you can change it. So for example, this might be 17A. Again, you can give it tags if you need to, and you can choose where it is that you want to actually save it, and just click on save. As you can see now, that's 46 KB as opposed to the 912 KB. So it's just reduced the file size. Now, I don't have a Windows machine, but it essentially works the same. So just go to the image that you want to resize and open it in Photos. And at the top right hand side, there are three little dots. And if you click on that, it's going to open up a new menu for you. And you just click on the resize option, and that's going to allow you to do much the same as a Mac export of an image would in Windows. So you'll be able to choose where you save that file, what you name it, and then you'll be able to play around with the size. Now, when it comes to videos, there's a piece of software called Handbrake that you can use. It's an application. I have got instructions on how to use it if you decide to go down that route. However, you can do the same thing with a little trick in YouTube. So this episode of BMTV is at 212 MB. Okay, so it's been uploaded into my YouTube channel because I use it from there and I use the embed code. But if I go here and click on download, it's going to compress that video as it downloads. So it's now downloaded onto my system, and you can see here it's gone from 200 MB down to 20. So if you've got a lot of video on your sites and you want to reduce the file size of them because they're taking up a lot of space and they're slowing your site down, then run them through YouTube. If you're saving them already in YouTube, you just literally go and download them again and upload them into your site. Or you can obviously use the embed code from YouTube rather than hosting the videos in your website. Super useful, hey? As always, if you've got any questions, please do come and ask me. I'm lurking around in that Facebook group ready and willing to help you, so please do come and join us. I'll see you in there.